Every day we use objects as straws, bottles, balloons, globes, and bags. That's what we call plastics.
But what are they?
They are non-renewable polymers that came from the gas and petroleum extraction.
Oh really? It is possible to obtain plastic from gas and petroleum?
It's a gaseous hydrocarbon obtained by the gas and petroleum extraction. When it is subjected to heat and pressure, it joins into long repeating carbon chains. These joined molecules, called polymers, is a plastic resin known as polyethylene.
Can I get different products of the polyethylene?
Polyethylene is processed in a factory to make plastic pellets. Pellets are poured into a reactor, melt into a thick liquid to cast into a mold. The liquid cools down to harden into a solid plastic and produces a finished product like bottles.
How does it reach your hands? Where can I buy it?
An example is the manufacture of the large number of varieties of PET bottles of different colors and sizes. Also, to stock food has to keep food fresh and safe. Or just to fund us. From the factory is transported by land or sea to distributor companies and reach the client hands through the marketing strategies.
But what will happen if we throw plastic waste on the street?
The plastic waste is collected by a trash truck with all the organic materials of the city. Then the truck tips out the garbage in the landfill.
Oh, I see. And what process happens in the landfill?
First, the garbage is compacted and poured into a deep zone in the ground. Later, another truck adds sand on the top. The landfill is covered with special materials in the front that not let filter the leachates. Leachates are toxic liquids that the garbage produces, and they emit polluting gases. Those liquids can pollute the atmosphere and water sources, impacting the population. Also, when they are burned, they also produce contaminating gases.
Now I took the plastic that is generated into recycle bins. Why would you happy with them?
This is collected by a recycling company and taken to a specialized plant to give them a new life.
How does the plant work?
The bottles are grouped into large bales. Then they are washed, separated, and classified bottles. They are classified for the type of plastic. Then of this, they are crushed and melted. They are processed to go from amorphous pellets to crystalline. It can convert it into food container. That we don't pollute the environment and the planet will feel much better.
As a chemical engineer, you can make this whole process happen, from transforming the material to recycling it into a new product. This profession will give you the necessary skills to optimize the processes and make them a service from the community.